Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will talk about a real-time scenario, a real-time problem, what we face during our development. So here you can see is your product data. Product name, sales and date column are available. In the sales column, you can see some blanks are available, some blanks are there and some negative values are there. Okay. So what client wants? Client wants these negative values and blank values both will be converted to NA. Okay, so how we can achieve this? For that we can go to home, then with Power Query transform data. So here you can see the data type is any. I am converting to whole number. Okay, converting to whole number. Now if we replace values as null to NA, it is not possible. Why? Enter a number value. It is expecting a number value. So NA is a text value. That's why it is not taking. So for that, what we can do? We can change the data type whole number to text. Okay. Now, if we replace values with nulls and NA, it is possible now. Now, all the blanks are converted to NA, right? But the problem is, here you can see the negative values. Customer wants these negative values also be converted to NA. So how is this possible? If there are thousands of values, it cannot be converted. If there is two values, one or two values, we can convert it. Okay, because the data type is text. So -10 to NA is possible. But if there is thousands of rows, how is this possible? So for that, we can take the help of DAX. So I am changing these steps, deleting these steps. Okay. Now, and data type to whole number. Sales data type to whole number. Okay, close and apply. Now I am taking a calculated column. Okay, calculated column. I am taking a name of converted. What we can do? I am taking a variable var a equals to, if first of all we have to check wherever the negative values are less than 0, I have to consider that first. Then sales tables are less than 0, where the sales are the negative. Okay, put on NA. Okay, or else first condition is done. Then what about the blanks values? Okay, what about the blanks? So for the blanks, what we can do right now, it is a whole number, right? This column is sales column is whole number. So previously we have seen that number cannot be converted to NA, right? For that we can use convert function. Convert. Okay, convert. Then again this data, this sales column, I have to take the name sales and change the data type. What will be the data type? Will be a string. Okay, then I am returning this. Return if, again if condition, if a equals to blank. If a equals to blank, what is happening? A equals to blank, so it is checking wherever the blank values right now, convert to NA. Why? Because right now after this converting this function, after converting this cell is converted to as string, so all the blanks are string now. Now we can convert all the string values with another string value NA, and or else again A. Okay, so if we run this, here you can see all the blanks are NA. Okay, and all the negative values are also NA. Okay, so again what we see, what is happening here, First of all, we are checking the condition. If the condition is less than 0, negative values, then put NA. Then convert because it is right now as a whole number. So that we have to convert it to string values. So we convert it to string values. Then if the string value blank, then put NA or else A. So for this we can get this type of values. So like this we can change more than one conditions, right? More than one conditions with DAX. So like this. So if you like my channel, please subscribe it, like it. If you like my videos, share it among your friends, like it, and support my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you.